Hello, my name is Jason Kongchoy. I'm studio manager here at CDM Studio Perth. We are a model making company where we make all kinds of models and sculptures for museums, designers, architects. We have the BigRep One, a large format 3D printer that has allowed us to make all kinds of models. Most notably, recently, we've done a large job for the West Australian Museum, Boulevard Dip, where we made over 110 different models of dinosaurs, animals. We digitally sculpted all of the models using ZBrush, and from that we could then send that information to the BigRep One. From that printed model, we are then able to pretty much glue together a giant kit of a one-to-one dinosaur, refine the surfaces, and then paint them so we can then have them hanging in the gallery. The BigRep One for us is pretty much a workhorse. It was able to make all these models for us that we couldn't do any other way. For this exhibition, we had to make 110 models in about 9 months, and given that really tight time frame, it just wasn't feasible for us to have to go through clay sculptures and maquettes, where to then go from digital sculptures directly to the printer was the only way that we could deliver this project on time. What we sculpted and was approved by the customer and the scientists and the museum staff is what came off the machine, which is really, really important in our business, where we're trying to get the scientific accuracy correct. As a model making business going forward, if you are not integrating 3D printing into your pipelines, you are just going to fall behind. The time of going from a clay sculpture to be approved is just not feasible anymore in the current deadlines of where museums and paleo art is headed. The way that we've used the BigRep One on this project has shifted our industry forever.